Hello, this is Mike from Heavy Ice Systems. Today is October 23rd, 2019. Here I'm making a video to show some flake ice evaporators we made recently. Here you can see 18 instead of 1 ton per day, 6 instead of 2 ton per day, 2 instead of 3 ton per day flake ice evaporators. These are 1 ton per day, and in this corner you can see 6 instead of 2 ton per day, 2 instead of 3 ton per day flake ice evaporators. All the evaporators you see here are freshwater type, and it's for one customer. They are made of chrome carbon steel, aluminum top and bottom. Each evaporator is already equipped with a ice harvesting device, water circulation system, and everything. As you can see, the reducer motor, brine pump, water pump, even the expansion valves. So when customers receive all the evaporators, they just need to connect them with their own refrigeration system, just the 2 copper pipes. So it's very easy for the buyers to make the flake ice machines locally. We sell this kind of flake ice evaporators to many Chinese ice machine companies. Almost 16% of the Chinese ice machine companies, they buy the evaporators from us. Meanwhile, we also sell the flake ice evaporators all over the world. For example, Turkey, Brazil, Greece, Mexico, America, and some African countries. Okay, thank you for your time. If you're interested in my flake ice evaporator, you send me the email or contact with me with my mobile phone number, WhatsApp number. Thank you for your time.